Hi, guys, welcome to our channel, The Pro Reviewer. In this video, we try to help you find out the best GoPro camera on the market. Based on our research and knowledge, I made this list and tried to find and list those items according to their quality and performance, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their latest prices and more images and find more details, you can check out those links in the description below. Let's see the product one by one. Number 5. GoPro Hero 7 Black. The GoPro Hero 7 Black is no longer very easy to find. For instance, GoPro doesn't sell it directly anymore, but you can find it occasionally for around $200. Don't buy it if it's more than that, unless it comes with a ton of bundled accessories, because while it's a capable camera, the newer models offer a lot more. Still, if you can find one for a bargain price and don't want to spend more, there's a lot to like about the Hero 7 Black. This was the first of GoPro's action cameras to include the ability to record 4K video at 60 frames per second. Like earlier models, it's waterproof to 33 feet, has a rear 2-inch color touchscreen LCD, and voice control. While not as effective as newer models, the Hero 7's image stabilization is still very good, in our experience. Plus, it can live stream to Facebook using the GoPro app. Because of its older design, the Hero 7 Black needs to be inserted into a case of some kind if you want to mount it to anything, and it won't work with some of the newer mods. Number 4. GoPro Max. While not the best GoPro camera overall, the GoPro Max does have a major point of difference from the others, namely its ability to shoot 360-degree video. Unlike most 360 cameras, the GoPro Hero Max has a small display on its back that lets you view what its cameras are looking at. We didn't find it quite as handy as we'd expected, but the large display does make it easy to navigate and change the Max's settings without having to use your smartphone. The GoPro Hero Max also has a hyper-smooth stabilization feature, so your bumpy video will look nice and smooth, and image quality from the camera, up to a max resolution of 5.6K 30 frames per second, lives up to GoPro's typical high standards. Plus, GoPro's app is loaded with features, including the ability to live stream video from the Max. Number 3. GoPro Hero 8 Black. The Hero 8 Black was the first GoPro to have its mounting fingers built directly into the camera, which makes it a bit easier to attach accessories. You no longer need to use a case if you want to attach it to accessories, such as a tripod or helmet mount. Unfortunately, it also means that cases and lens adapters you had for older GoPros won't work with this model. The redesign also allows for new add-on mods, which increase the functionality of the camera through external mics, lights, and more. GoPro improved the motion stabilization to make the footage from the Hero 8 Black the smoothest we've seen from an action camera, and the overall quality remains as great as ever. Number 2. GoPro Hero 9 Black. With the GoPro Hero 9 Black, GoPro not only took the criticism of the Hero 8, but also added a much-needed feature, a front-facing display. This small screen now shows a live preview, making it much easier for selfie artists and bloggers to frame themselves in videos and photos. In addition, the Hero 9 has a removable lens, so you can once again add filters, such as GoPro's new Max Lens mod, which enables you to take really wide and stabilized video. It can also shoot at resolutions up to 5K, and its larger battery performs better in colder temperatures. Having tested it extensively, our sole criticism is that it's pretty heavy, so you'll certainly notice it if you attach it to a helmet. Overall, we'd still consider this to be one of the best GoPro cameras, but given that the Hero 10 is available for the same price, there's no reason to choose it over the newer model. Number 1. GoPro Hero 10 Black. While the outside hasn't changed from the Hero 9 Black, the GoPro Hero 10 Black sports a new and improved processor on the inside, which translates to video recording as high as 5.3K 60 frames per second, as well as 2K video at 240 frames per second, and 4K video at 120 frames per second. On top of that, it has a larger 23MP image sensor, and manages to shave off a tiny bit of weight. What's most impressive is the Hero 10's upgraded image stabilization. In our testing, we found that the camera can be tilted by as much as 45 degrees while still smoothing things out. However, this puts a serious dent on battery life, which is unchanged from the Hero 9. But, you can use the same battery, as well as the same accessories, as before. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Check the product link in the description below. I hope you find a suitable product for yourself. If you want this type of video in the future, please subscribe to the channel.